So here you can see it's a Siemens uh, S7300. It's a PLC control, a very complex sort of thing with almost 6 boards inside. One, two, three, four, five, and there is another board down which is vertically connected with all 5 horizontally connected with each other. Okay, so this is very complicated sort of thing, quite an expensive. It came to us with a problem in proper function. If absolutely dead it was, and thereafter it was functioning abnormally, and then we fixed it up, and now you can see it's perfectly working. Means now it needs to be tested on the machine, but at least it has come on. And see the status LED. Okay, all the LED comes on first, and then it searches, and now you can see the yellow LED is steady, one green LED is glowing, that is power LED, and now it needs to be tested on the machine. That's it. So it's Siemens S7300. So this is what we are going to send it to the client now for its further testing. Okay, thanks.